Okay, so I'm hiding and I'm practicing my FPV. Look, I can almost fly now, like a real boy, like a real FPVer. Although we all know better, I can't do that. But I'm trying, and I'm learning. I'm at like hour 12 in the simulator, and I'm starting to get better. Not so good that I'm not going to crash into this, but all right, let's get that up. I'm making a fool of myself. But I could fly around now. I can't like do anything fancy like those people on the TV, but I can at least keep myself from crashing most of the time. So now I feel better, because honestly I was feeling pretty bad about myself. This learning FPV is hard, and oop, I'm out of bounds. It's hard, and that was horrible. I'm good at crashing though. Who's watching? Oh, somebody's watching. Well, let I crash then, because, I'm going to leave it there until it resets, because I'm trying to fly with my phone in my face. I'm flying through the phone, so my reaction time is definitely wrong. There's definitely... I'm going to slide over to the side a little bit. All right, good. So, I know I look terrible. I get it. But if you saw how much worse I was before... At least I could see, I missed that tree. I got out of it. I cut the power. I knew what to do. I reacted, and that's good, because at least I have means I'm starting to develop muscle memory. Yeah, I'm flying sideways and crooked and everything else, but at least I can keep it up in the air if I want to. And honestly, the hardest thing I'm having a problem with is going straight. But baby steps. There's all kinds of light posts right down this line. I should not be on this line. I know, I powered out too soon or too late. I don't know. I just know it wasn't right. Tree. Building. But this is hour 12 in the simulator, and like I said, at least I have some kind of control, which is more than I could say at hour 8. It was very frustrating. I know this shouldn't be recorded, but I figured there are people that are paying attention to this and know that I'm learning. And you tell I'm working really hard because I stopped talking. But I'm trying. I'm getting there. I'm learning. I'm learning to the point now that if I had the Avata FPV controller, I would be trying tomorrow. Well, maybe not tomorrow, but... Woo! I stuck the gap, finally. And I did it live streaming. Sweet! Not that I'd be able to watch this, but still. But definitely, the learning curve is steep. And only on this one did I up the expo to 75 or 50. No, only to 50%. And as soon as I did, it made up for a lot of the inconsistencies in this cheap controller that I bought. So I finally really feel like I'm making progress. I mean, I'm just cruising around, and which I can do. And if I don't try anything dumb, you know, I could not crash. Until I try to stick some kind of gap or whatever, I could at least keep it in the air. I'm starting to realize that a lot of FPV is falling with style, like Buzz Lightyear. So I know the loops. Everybody's like, oh, you could do loop power loops already, and I'm like, so you know, to be honest with you, that's a lot easier than flying straight. To be honest with you. Well, there was somebody watching. Nobody watching me crash now. Come on, reset.